Hello and welcome to Flynn's Arcade. Today we're going to look at this Aliens model from a company called XINGBAO, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Basically, everybody's heard of Lepin. Lepin is kind of one of these dodgy little companies what rip off Lego and make counterfeit Lego. Now, they've got sued by Lego in China, something like that. I don't really know what's gone off. But you shouldn't really be buying Lepin. It's your choice if you want to, but myself, I tried it once. I've had a couple of models from them. They're alright. They're not brilliant. They're alright. But XINGBAO is a company which is now owned by Lepin. But what these do is they contact designers from the Lego Ideas sites or independent designers, like these two just here, and they pay them for their instructions, and then they put the kits out. So as you can see in this booklet here, if I can get it open, is the designers, or these two just here. Now a lot of it's in Chinese, but they make designs, they pay the designs, so the designers are not getting ripped off anymore, they're actually getting paid for it. And it comes with all the parts to build it, and in the end you get the Alien Chestburster. There is a few other sets from these. I have got another one which is the actual alien itself, which is huge, which I'm still building at the moment. But yeah, they're not too bad and I really enjoy building this. So for the build, here it comes. So here we are, and it's all finished. And as you can see, it's quite a substantial model. It's quite large. It looks like the Alien Chestburster from Aliens, obviously. And it is really, really good. There's some really unique pieces. There's some really good building techniques in it. I like the application of the blood pool at the bottom and the silver teeth, they're quite good. The mouth doesn't open, unfortunately, because it all falls apart like so. We're back now and it's repaired. Ignore that bit. Blooper outtake. It is a bit fragile around the sides because there is some really unique building techniques where you have to put things on sideways and upside down and backwards. But all in all, it's a really good build. I'm going to put it down just in case anything else falls off it. The tail is fully articulated, it does move, and it's attached at the back just on one stud, so you have to be careful with that one, but it does move so you can position it. The top actually removes, as you saw in the video, it goes on separately and the base is built separately. There's quite a few pieces, quite a few unique building techniques, but all in all, I think it's a really good model. And because the people from XINGBAO are actually paying the designers now, they're getting the money out of their work and their design. And I think it encourages a lot of designs what you're not going to see from Lego. Things like Alien and just random other stuff what Lego's never going to build because it's either too violent or not in their product range or not in their product plan. So yeah, that's my opinion on the Lego Chestburster. I really enjoy building it. I think it looks really good on my shelf. It's a nice addition to my collection, and it doesn't fit in with anything else because obviously Lego doesn't make this kind of thing. But I like it, I enjoy it, and I'm a fan of the Alien films, so I'll probably get some more of this XINGBAO stuff and see what stuff they've got in the future. So hope you enjoyed this video, hope you enjoyed the build. It's a little new video I'm trying out here with the review and the build in really high speed. Let me know in the comments below whether you liked the video and whether you want me to do more of these. Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.